If a child is born today, they could live long enough to see the year 2100. What kind of Earth are we handing them? Scorching summers, drowned coastlines, climate refugees, or a world we chose to save? 2100 isn't science fiction. It fits in one human life. Right now, Earth is already more than 1 degree Celsius warmer than it was before the industrial age. That sounds small, but you can feel it in record heat waves, megafires, floods, and storms that now stack so fast we forget how rare they used to be. Our atmosphere has always worked like a blanket, trapping just enough heat for life to exist. But we've been thickening that blanket with greenhouse gases from burning coal, oil, and gas, and from cutting down forests that used to lock carbon safely away. Climate models don't predict one fixed future. They simulate many possible worlds, depending on how much carbon we keep adding and how fast we stop. They're not crystal balls. They're maps of the paths we choose, from low emissions futures to high emissions extremes. By 2100, rising seas could quietly redraw the edges of our maps. Some coastal districts will be saved by walls and massive defenses. Others will flood again and again until they're finally abandoned and left to slowly disappear beneath the water for good. In a high-emissions future, some regions become so hot and humid that the human body can't cool itself, even in the shade. A healthy person with water, resting, could survive only a few hours outside. It's not just uncomfortable heat. It's a level of heat that can kill. As the climate shifts, so do our food belts. Some regions lose the rains and soils they've relied on for generations. Others gain longer growing seasons and new crops. Whether people eat or go hungry in 2100 will depend on how fast we adapt and who gets left behind. By 2100, the Arctic could be almost ice-free in summer. New shipping routes open where solid ice once stood, while towns built on frozen ground begin to crack, tilt, and sink as the permafrost beneath them thaws and turns into something like mud. By 2100, hundreds of millions could live in regions hit by constant floods, deadly heat, or collapsing harvests. Some communities will adapt. Many people will simply move across borders, across continents, looking for safety, food, and a place where the climate still feels livable. Climate models don't decide our future. We do. The physics is unforgiving, but the story is still being written. The people of 2100 will live inside the world we build for them now. The question is simple. What kind of ancestors do we want to be?